Yes, Sairam. So we will continue today with what we were doing that day. And yes, so many of you in uniform, so nice. And what about you, Renuka? Are you wearing? Yes, Param. I'm seeing you after so many days. How are you, Param? Good?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Slowly the lockdown unlock. It's unlocking now everything, now even movie halls and all this, many things are going to start, but obviously in they'll be very vigilant and they will take care of the distance and all. So hope so our school also reopens. Okay. And obviously first it will be for ninth and 12th, and next it will be for 6th to 8th also. So, and we are taking full care in the school, all the sanitizers, everything, even the distance, everything is planned very well. So we are just waiting when the government is going to tell and when you will be with us. Okay, right. Okay, so I'll just share this. Yes. So we'll start with the speaking activity, page number 80. Who wants to start this question? You can write me in the chat box. Anyone who wants to read this question on? And after a scene, you can, if someone wants to save data. Okay, Soumya. Yes, Soumya. Yes, Soumya, you can read the question.
Do you think Mr. Gessler was a failure as a bootmaker or a competitive businessman?
Hmm. What do you
I
think?
think
Do you have
that,
any views?
yes, ma'am. I think that Mr. Gessler was a good bootmaker because the boot he made was always of good quality and it is fit it is fit to the customer and no mistake was there in their booth.
Okay. But like these words ना, mistake अब क्या होता है कि जैसे आप मैथमेटिक्स में मिस्टेक्स करते हो तो वो समझ आता है. But you have to use better words in English when you're answering, especially for seventh standard level. Your points are right, but it was too short. Okay. Thank you, Soumya. Anyone else who wants to add something to it? Rishika, do you want to add something to this question? I'm repeating the question. Do you think Mr. Jessler was a failure as a bootmaker or as a competitive businessman? मतलब किस चीज में वो फेलियर था? Bootmaker or competitive businessman? The answer is clear.
Bootmaker.
No, no, no. As a bootmaker, he was
A
successful.
competitive businessman. Ma'am,
Yes,
he was a
yes,
failure in competitive business.
Business.
yes. He wasn't very competitive, and why you have to explain the whole thing, and it's a long answer, like for around 10 to 12 lines it should be. Catherine, yes, Catherine, you want to give the answer? You can try.
Ma'am, ma'am, our answer was just about 2 lines.
2 lines. No, 2 lines, no. I wanted at least for 10 lines. Yes, Vyom, you can try.
Mr. Gessler was successful as a bootmaker because his customers were immensely satisfied with the boot he made. The quality of the boot was so good that they lasted very long. This this perfectly fit also. Yes, he was failure as a competitive businessman. He did not have money like the big firms so could invest on advertisements. He lost his business to them. He took time in delivering the boots because he made them alone. He lost his customers because of the delay in delivery.
Okay, that was good. That was good. Anyone who wants to add something to it, to what Vyom said?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
give
Amay.
answer?
Amay, you can. Yes, better. And please on your camera also.
Yes, ma'am.
Whoever is talking has to on the camera. Yes, Amay.
Mr. Gessler was a successful as a boot maker because his customers were satisfied with the boot he made. This perfectly fit them and lasted long. Yes, he was a failure as a competitive businessman. He didn't have money like the big firms, so couldn't invest on advertisements. He lost his business to them. He took time in delivering the boots because he made them alone. He lost his customers because of the delay in delivery. He worked hard, striving for long hours. Whatever he earned went on paying the rent for his shop and for buying leathers.
Okay, good. Yes, there were many points in it. Like Zenwell, आप लेट के कर रहे हो क्या? बैठे हो कि लेटे हो? सायरा मनल, हाँ ठीक है. अगली बार यूनिफॉर्म पहन के बैठना जेनवेल, ठीक है? Okay. Now I'll also share this thing. Agrima, you start reading this, okay? This one. From here, Mr. Jessler. Is it visible, Agrima?
Yes, ma'am.
From here.
Mr. Jessler was successful as a bootmaker because his customers were in. Ma'am, what is
Immensely.
it? Ma'am,
Immensely.
what does it mean? Ma'am, what does it mean?
Immensely means बहुत ज़्यादा. Immense होता है बहुत बड़ा या बहुत ज़्यादा.
Immensely satisfied with the boot he made. This perfectly fit them and latest long. He lasted long. Yes, he has a failure as a competitive businessman. He didn't have money like the big firms, so couldn't invest on advertisement. He lost his business to them. He took time in delivering the boots because he made them alone. He lost his customers because of the delay in delivery. He worked hard, shifting for long hours. Whatever he earned went on paying the rent of his shop and for buying leathers. He spent days and great. Ma'am, what is it in the last word?
Means it actually means that without money, in literally poor, in poverty.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Amay, was this the same answer that you read?
Yes, ma'am, it is the same answer from which I read.
Okay, okay. So he has also taken it.
Can I tell?
You want to tell another answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell.
Mr. Jessler was a failure as Mr. Jessler was a failure as a competitive businessman, but he was a successful bootmaker. Boots made by him perfectly fitted the buyers and lasted long. He used good quality materials to make boots. He made the boots alone and thus took time to deliver the boots, so he didn't earn too much, and his customers started getting less as he delivered with delay. He worked hard, but all money he earned was used to pay the rent of his shop and buying materials to make boots.
Excellent, Shubhra. Excellent. So she also has touched all the points. So now 2 or 3 students, you have heard them. So you will write it in a big, long answer type. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move to the second question. Abhishek, do you have the book in front of you?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, Abhishek, just read the second question. What is the significance? Shubhra's voice for me was very clear. Radhika, आपके साइड में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होएगी, ठीक है?
What if the significance of the title to whom or to what does it refer?
Okay. And who wants to answer this other than Vyom? Arush, just leave it, even if someone has copied it. Yes, Arush, do you want to try this answer? What is the significance of the title? Quality. The chapter's name is Quality. तो उस title जो chapter को दिया है, how significant, how important it is. To whom or what does it refer to? तो आपको बताना है वो क्वालिटी किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, इंसान की, बूट्स की, किस चीज की? मे बी इट इज ऑफ मेनी थिंग्स. So what is your perspective?
I know
Once.
it is too short.
Soumya, no, but I wanted, this is also, I mean, not exactly 10 lines, but at least 5 lines. Arush, do you want to try? Anumega? Okay, Vyom, you can begin. Maybe others get idea from it. Anil?
The title quality refers to the great quality of boots made by Mr. Gessler. The quality of the boots was so good that they lasted very long and they were exactly fitted. He was professional at it. He would not let others even touch the boots until it gets ready. He believed in quality. He was losing business, but still never compromised on the quality of the boots he made.
Yes, good, Vyom. Very good. Excellent. Anyone else who wants to try? Okay. Was this the same answer you told, Vyom, or was it a little different?
It was different.
Okay. Who would like to read this? Ritu? Ritu, please read it.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
One second. Yeah, Ritu.
What is the significance of the title? To
Actually, it is
solution, the title refers to the great equality boots Mr. Gessler made. It is an ideal title for the lesson. It refers to business practices followed these days, where no one cares about quality. Mr. Gessler quality of significance. He perhaps didn't allow anyone else to touch his book. He lost on business, was spending days in poverty, still the compromise on quality.
Okay. Good, Ritu. But only your voice was a little shaky. Otherwise, it was okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell
I will-
another answer?
Yes, Shubhra, you can tell another answer.
The title refers to the quality of boots made by Mr. Gessler. This is a title for a story. Mr. Gessler cared for good quality of boots for his customers, but nowadays instead of supplying good stuff to their buyers.
Okay. Good. Good, Shubhra. Yes. Now the third one.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta, you read.
Question number third, first part. Notice the way Mr. Gessler speaks English. His English is influenced by his mother tongue. He speaks English with an accent. Number second, when Mr. Gessler speaks, PTK sound like BDG. Can you say these words as Mr. Gessler would say them? It comes and never stops. The
Does it bother me? Not at all. Ask my brother, please.
Hmm. And now you have to change it into his mother tongue. This sentence. It come and never stops. Does it bother me? Not at all. Ask my brother, please. This sentence you have to speak in Mr. Jessler's accent. Yes, Vyom, you can try.
It goes and never stops. Does it bother me? Not all. Ask my brother.
Bother me. Bodher. Me, nod at all. Nod. Not की जगह nod हो जाएगा. Nod at all. Ask will become ASG. My brother, please. Okay, good, Vyom. Okay, next one. Yes. Who? One second, I'll just check the chat box again. Amay, yes, Amay. Tell the next one. Fourth one.
Speak to 5 adults in your neighborhood. Ask them the following questions in any language they are comfortable in. Then come back and share your findings with the class. Do they buy their provisions packed in plastic packets at a big store or loose from a smaller store near their house? Where do they buy their footwear? Do they buy branded footwear or footwear made locally? What reason do they have for their preferences? Do they buy ready-made clothes or buy clothes and get their clothes stitched by a tailor? Which do they think is better?
Better.
Answer 1.
Yes, Amay.
Ma'am, we have to discuss with adults.
Yes, we have to discuss, but you can tell what is your view.
Yes, they prefer. Yes, they prefer buying.
First one is about the provisions. This one. Do they buy their
Yes,
provisions?
they prefer buying provisions. Yes, they prefer buying provisions.
Should I give the chance to someone else, Amay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, to this question we have to write in the copy.
I tell you, actually, you're supposed to write the speaking part 1 and 2. Okay, only till second one you're supposed to write. But still, we have to discuss the whole chapter, na? Okay, Anumega, yes, you can tell.
Answer number 1, 2. Ma'am, should I read the question also?
No, don't tell the question of the first one.
Answer 1, the adults provision. I'm sorry. The adults buy their provisions packed in plastic bags at the big stores. Then the second answer is the adults buy their footwear from branded footwear store. And the third answer is the adults buy ready-made clothes from the big shops.
Okay, and this answer can be different for others also, because it is according to your view what your neighbors are doing. That's what I think Vyom wrote. So it's going to be your personal view. Agrima, anything? Why are you laughing?
Nothing, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है. Yes, Ayan, do you want to tell the next one? Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Question 4th, third one.
Yes. She has already.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Anumega is already told that. Do you want to attempt the fifth one, Amir? The picture one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, Amir is always
Look at the picture. Let's pairs
Amir,
of.
I did not give you a chance. Wait. Ayan, if you don't have, I want to give Adib a chance. Adib, do you want to
Yes,
try the
ma'am.
fifth one?
Ma'am, may I try the fourth one, third part?
I think that is already told by Anumega. Acha, you read this
Yes.
one. What is on the screen, Adib?
Yes, ma'am. Look at the picture. Let pairs of students talk to each other about leaving the country. One student repeats Ajit's statement. The other gives a reason for not agreeing with Ajit. The sentence opening given below should be used. If I leave this country, I will miss. There are some things which you can get only here. For example, there are some special days I'll miss particularly. Most of all, I'll miss because I think it's impossible for me to leave my country because how can you leave your own country except when? Depends on one's intention. I can't leave for good because maybe for a couple of years.
Okay. So you know the answers or you want to try? You have to, it is actually dialogue completion. Like a picture composition, they have given half the sentence. You have to complete the rest. Who's going to try this? The first one, Ajit.
Ma'am.
Adib. To hear if you, this one, yes. Adib, yes. Try.
Ajit, I have decided to go abroad for higher studies.
Yes. Next. Radhika, okay.
Anisha, have you? I don't think I will ever do that. I love my country.
Okay. Next. Akshara, are you there?
Radhika.
Ma'am, Adib.
I want different children to read it. Zanuel, are you there?
Ma'am, Agrima.
Ma'am, Radhika.
Yes, Agrima. 1 second, beta. Agrima, read this sentence. If I leave this country.
If I leave this country, I will miss my friends and family. I will also miss the food. There are some things which you can get only here. For example, the food, snacks, and the care. And, ma'am, what is this?
Concern.
Ma'am, what does it mean?
Concern means किसी की फिक्र करना.
Concern of people around.
Okay. There are some things which you can get only here. For example, the food. For example, you can write many things. Like you can even write, for example, homemade food and love of parents. Anything. Okay. So this is all these sentences are according to your perspective. आपको जो लगता है, only that the English should be right. Okay. Next, 1 second, I'll just see. I want Sarthak. Okay, Sarthak, you read. After that, I want B section children only to attempt this. Zenwil, you will read after Sarthak.
Ma'am, may I?
1 second. And you come here, you're reading. Sarthak, there are some special days.
There are some special days. I will miss particularly the festivals, birthdays, and my parents' anniversary. Most of all, I will miss my sisters because we have been very close to each other and I share all my secrets with her. I think it is impossible for me to leave my country because I love my country and family too.
1 second, beta. Oh, it's the different one. Yes, this it is. Continue.
Ma'am, from where?
Where
Too
were
much
you?
and can't go too for far. Ma'am, where? Far from them. How can you leave your own country except when there is an emergency? Depends on one's and intentions. I can't leave for good because I want to celebrate all my special moments with my close ones. Maybe for a couple of years, I think it should be fine.
Okay, and as I said, you can write your own views also. Anyone who wants to change these? Anything special, if anything someone had? Now we're left with the writing part. Yes. Who is going to read this question? Zenwell, I
Ma'am, can I?
Zenwell, you'll be reading this question.
Chika.
On the following points, write a story. Your aunt has gone to her mother's house. Your uncle does his cooking. He is absent-minded. He puts vegetables on stove.
Continue.
He
begins.
begins to clean his bicycle outside. The neighbor calls out saying something is burning. Your uncle rushes to the kitchen. To save vegetables, he puts some oil in them.
Unfortunately,
it's machine oil, not cooking oil. What do you think happened to the vegetables?
okay.
Solution.
Now you know. Wait, I've changed it. What I was saying is, these are the hints they are given. Hints means आपको पिरोना है इसको story में. They have told you the sequence. We get this in story writing or paragraph writing. Now we give hints and you have to form a big paragraph. This is the same thing. Okay, and the picture also is given. So you have to write a big story, like around 1 to 1.5 pages, and it will have all these points. It's a hilarious story that how your uncle, your aunt means आपकी आंटी कहीं गई हुई है अपनी मम्मी के घर, and uncle is doing the cooking that day, but uncle doesn't know how to cook. So it's how he burns all these vegetables, and he keeps the vegetables on the stove and he forgets them. Then what he does, your uncle rushes to the kitchen, and when he rushes, he sees that they are almost burnt. Then he tries to put oil. But what is it? Which oil are we supposed to put in cooking? We put cooking oil. Mustard oil, your soybean oil, all these are cooking oils. But instead of that, he puts machine oil. Why? Because he was repairing the cycle outside. So he's so absent-minded, वो cycle में जो oil डालते हैं वो उसने सब्जी में डाल दिया. Just imagine how absent-minded that uncle was. Okay, what is Arush up to?
And what is the meaning of absent-minded?
Do that if you're doing it. I don't know who is right and who is wrong, but whoever is doing it, please stop doing it. We're into a serious discussion. and you guys are chatting on the, it's not a WhatsApp group or something. All these recordings will go on YouTube and the whole world is going to watch you. कि अच्छा ऐसी मस्ती करते थे. Okay, no one is removing anyone's, and you're not supposed to use nods unnecessarily. See, I am taking care of so many children, like 47 of them together. So you should also help me do it, na? Don't make it a play. We have only 2 periods per week, not even 7 periods per week. तो बेटा थोड़ा तो आपको समझना चाहिए ना ये चीज की मैम को थोड़ा हेल्प कर दें. हम लोग इतना थक के आते हैं. टुडे आई वेंट टू स्कूल आल्सो. आई एम कमिंग बैक एंड टेकिंग द क्लासेस. तो इट्स नॉट सो इजी. ठीक है, stop meddling with anything and pay attention in the class. And nods, you're supposed to use only your nod and only when needed. Like if you think हाँ मैम ने जो बोला वो मिल गया तो उसको thumbs up कर दो. Yeah, when you're leaving you can do the bye tata one. Okay, and when it's a birthday you can use that celebrations one. Fine. Okay, so this is your homework. You are going to write a story yourself. Okay, this page number 82, the writing one, because it's going to be a hilarious story. You can the end can be, what do you think happens to the vegetables? So that's according to you कि आपके हिसाब से क्या हुआ vegetables को. You're not going to answer one line and एक छोटा सा 5-6 line का paragraph बना दिया. No, you're going to, yes, Soumya has given a thumbs up. Great. So you're going to do it. Even I'll give a thumbs up. Look, mine is this. Fine. So this is your homework. So now we've done with the chapter. What we'll do is 5 minutes are left. I'll just see Tata Edge. 1 second. What has Tata Edge got to offer us?
Quality. This story is about the Gessler brothers who were shoemakers. They owned a shop in a stylish part of London. The shop was very simple, but was as peaceful as a church. The narrator knew the younger of the 2 brothers because he had made his father's boots. The Gessler brothers only made boots on order. The boots crafted by the younger brother were pieces of art as they lasted very long. Once the narrator told him how one of the boots made by him had made a creaking sound. The younger Gessler brother asked the narrator to bring them back and promised to return the money he had charged if he had failed to repair them. He was a very honest and hard-working shoemaker who cared about the smallest detail in the boots he crafted. That is why he could easily spot the problems in a pair of boots that the narrator had bought from a big company. He was angry that the big companies charged a lot of money for poor quality boots. He was also upset about the big companies making a lot of money only through advertisements and not through quality work. Seeing the shoemaker so sorrowful, the narrator ordered several pairs of boots. The boots were so well made that the narrator did not feel the need to visit the shoemaker for a long time. After 2 years, when the narrator visited the shoe shop, he met the older brother and inquired about his younger brother. The shoemaker revealed that he was the younger brother and his older brother had died. The narrator was shocked to find how much the younger Mr. Gessler had aged, so he ordered several pairs of boots again. He received them after a very long time, but their quality was better than ever and they lasted very long. Soon after, the narrator went abroad. A year later, when he returned to London, he went to the shoe shop. He realized the shoemaker looked 15 years older and was very weak. The narrator placed an order for several pairs of boots. He received them after a long time. Excitedly, he tried on all the pairs and found that each one fit perfectly. The narrator immediately posted a check for the shoemaker. A week later, the narrator visited the shop to convey his gratitude to the shoemaker. To his surprise, the name of the shop was different. Inside, he met a young Englishman instead of the old German shoemaker. The young man told the narrator that Mr. Gessler had died of starvation. The man spoke of how the shoemaker had worked hard to complete the few orders he received due to increased competition. He was so particular about his craft that he did not allow anyone else to help him. Delays in delivery also led to loss of customers. Despite using the best leather to make the most perfect boots, he had no money. He spent all his money on leather and rent. He dedicated his life to his art.
This was a very nice way of explaining. It's time now. And bye-bye, all of you, and take care. See you in the next class. I'll try to show you the video also if you want of this chapter. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Sairam, ma'am.
Have you seen the
Thank
video?
you, ma'am. Sairam, ma'am.
I think we've seen it, isn't it? Last time we saw. Bye, Renuka.
Sairam, ma'am.
Bye,
Sairam,
Shubhra.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Sairam, ma'am.
Tanishka, Sairam, Laksh, Soumya, Krishna, Ritu, Rishika, Radhika, Aditya, Pranab, Sanu, Laksh, Rishika, Poonam, Pranav, Poonam, Himanshu, Chitranshi, all of you, Sairam. Bye.